This question right here has been part of my study notes that have been available to you since Christmas. And what do you notice? It looks like your question 7 that came up in paper 1. And these notes have been completely free. A lot of you have been messaging me that you're completely cooked for next week because you've done no revision for mechanics and statistics. Well, this is your chance to head to myheadspace.co.uk, click my resources at the top, head to the maths revision notes for A-level. They're completely free. Go through the notes, go through the examples, do the examples yourself, go through all of my videos, which are all collated into one place. I recommend you try the question before I go through it myself, and then really focus on identifying where your gaps in knowledge are, because it's not the full specification for mechanics and statistics. Obviously, you should be going through as many past papers as possible, identifying any gaps in knowledge, go back to my study notes, re-revise the notes, go to your textbook, complete the mixed exercise to fill those gaps in knowledge after you've gone through my study notes, and then keep doing your past papers. And one thing to be very careful of, you see it all the time online, is predicted papers. Guys, so many students come to me complaining that somebody has given them predicted papers, whether they're selling them or free. It doesn't matter, guys. Stop using predicted papers as your only revision resource, okay? Especially if they're paid. We should not be paying for predicted papers, okay? Your revision strategy should be completely general and not focused based on somebody who's gone on ChatGPT or whatever and put in something and said what predicted topics are coming up, because that's really what these people are doing. So stop doing that. The only person who can get the result that you desire is yourself. Stop relying on other people. Stop asking other people, can I go from a D to an A in literally 2 days, okay? If that's what you want, work hard and anything's possible, but stop relying on other people to give you the result that you think you deserve. You deserve the result that you have worked hard for. Good luck with your final exams. I'll keep posting. And if you do want more help, then I am hosting that day before session for that last minute revision. If you are interested, head to the link in my bio. And more importantly, guys, those free study notes, make sure you're using them for your revision. Nice.